Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply tempered glass for your Xiaomi 12 Lite. Okay, so first of all I can recommend you to put on this silicone case to do not scratch your back or camera lenses when you're going to put it on the flat surface. And right now we have to open the box with the glass. In this case I'm using the glass from the Galaxy M30s. But it still fits the screen, so that's what matter. We have to open the box, we have to get these wipes. Let me just zoom in to show you better how it looks. Okay, so there it is, and what we have to do, we have to get the good lighting condition to see a very mess that we have on the screen. As you can see in my case, a lot of fingerprints, some kind of the dust, and also other greedy marks. As you can see, we can find already installed protection. That's very thin foil. You can leave that foil or remove it and apply the tempered glass. You can decide. I'm gonna improve protection of the screen, so I'm gonna leave this foil, and on this foil I'm gonna install this tempered glass. So first of all we have to start from the wet wipe. And as you can see, we have to simply reach a very edge and the corner that we have on the phone, on the display, to smoothly get rid of this greasy marks from our display. So make few moves, and after that smoothly move for the dry wipe. And we have to remove wet mark cleaning. Okay, so right now I can recommend you to take a look on the display and be sure that there's no any pieces of the dust. In my case everything is fine, so what we have to do right now, just grab the tempered glass, and you have to start from removing this sticker. So hold the glass like that in this position, grab the sticker and try to gently peel it off. Just like that. Okay. Hold tempered glass with your forefingers for each corner, and we can start the positioning of the glass from the upper section of the screen. So you have to keep holding the bottom part with your two fingers and try to put it correctly right here. We can put it a little bit higher, I think like that. As you can see, everything is fine, so we have to hold in this place in the middle and then put it. And what we have to do, just simply press on the glass. As you can see, it is sticking to our display. And if you have this glue marks, how to remove it, that's very simple. Just press on it, and as you can see it will disappear. So that's what I'm gonna do right now for the whole screen. Okay, and as you can see, that's all. Right now we can simply open this phone, try to use it, everything is fine, there's no problem with the touch interaction, it works smooth and all is good. And that's how we can apply glass for your Xiaomi 12T Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.